do today, you know? Good morning. Monday is all about written work. So we are going to write today. What are we going to
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Ishan. Good morning, Anish. Good morning, Tufan. Good morning, Somalia. So nice to see all of you. Lovely to see all of you. So, what are we going to do today? We are going to write certain letters, right? Before we closed for the summer break, what did we do? We wrote till letter L. And in the last 2 days, I have also given you M and N to write. But today, I would still want to revise it with you because I don't want to break the chain. Okay, so first we'll learn how to write M. But before writing, what is the main thing to notice? How to hold the writing tool? कैसे पकड़ते हैं हम लोग pencil को? Should I write like this? Is it correct to write like hold the pencil like this? Should I write like this with all my fingers? Then which three fingers? Show me the three fingers we used to write, used to hold the pencil. Come on, show me the three fingers you used to hold the pencil. Which three fingers do you use? Thumb, pointer, and middle finger, whom you also call tall man, right? These three fingers we'll use. We'll hold the pencil beyond the sharpened point. Sharpen किया हुआ उसके ऊपर नहीं पकड़ेंगे. Sharpen point के beyond पकड़ेंगे. With the help of these two fingers, you hold the pencil, and this will be over here at the bottom. Okay, forming a tripod like this. And the last two fingers, the ring finger and the small baby finger, will be just curled up like this. This is how you're supposed to hold the pencil. Okay, but it should not be from here because you'll not be able to see what you are writing. You should always hold it from a little behind so that you can even easily manipulate your fingers, and you can easily see how whether you're touching the lines or not, and how is your letter coming out like. Okay, so this is how you're going to hold your writing tool, whether it is a pencil, a color pencil, or a crayon or sketch pen. Whatever you are using, it has to be held like this. Okay, this is the correct grip we are looking for. So let's begin now. The letter first that we'll be starting today is letter M. Okay, so letter M starts a little above the blue line. Okay, a little above the second blue line, letter M starts. Okay, come on, let me write now. I'll start a little above, come down. नीचे आके touch करेंगे. Then I'll go slanting up. I'll come slanting down. ठीक है, पूरा slanting up and go and touch the red line. Then come slanting down, touch the bottom blue line. Again go up, touch the slanting red line, slanting up and go touch the red line. Again come down, make a curve and end above. Okay, we'll end over here. At the time of ending, we'll touch the first blue line. ठीक है, M looks like mountains. जैसे mountains हैं, पहाड़ हैं, वैसे बनाना है आपको. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके एक माउंटेन बनाया, अगेन नीचे आ गए, वापस दूसरा माउंटेन बनाया, अगेन नीचे आ गए, एंड देन टेक द कर्व अप टू द फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन. ओके, आई विल रिपीट वंस मोर. ट्राई नॉट टू लिफ्ट योर हैंड. मैं आपको दिखाने और सिखाने के लिए अपना हाथ उठा रही हूँ, बट आप पूरा एम हाथ उठाए बिना लिखेंगे. ठीक है, सी आई शो यू हाउ टू राइट without lifting your hand. You start from a little bit above the blue line, come and touch the second blue line, go slanting up, come slanting down, again go slanting up, again go come slanting down, and make a curve and touch the first blue line. Okay, this is how you are supposed to write letter M. Okay, This is how you're supposed to write letter M. I want you all to show me 1 or 2 M's in any of your copies. Come on, girls and boys, show me in your copies how to write M. How are you writing letter M? Okay, Ishanvi's shown me already. Very good, Ishanvi. Good going, dear. You have grasped the concept really well. Now, who's going to be the next one? Come on. I'm waiting, girls and boys.
I can't write that because I can't write.
Is Sufyan writing?
Because I'm driving. Driving.
Okay, Sufyan went to get his notebook. Okay. Come on, let's start writing.
Driving.
Yes, Suhalia. Dear, your camera is off. I'm not being able to see. Yes, Sufyan. Come on, show me how do you write letter M. Come on, Kushinangani. How are you writing letter M, dear? Are you traveling or something? Who's traveling? I can see.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And we're standing
Okay,
somewhere.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. On the way.
Okay, fine. So, Sufyan, I'm just waiting for you then, dear. Come on, jaldi se M likh ke dikhao. We've lost connection with Sohalia for now. Let's see if she joins back. Oh, yes, she has. Okay. सुफियान एम लिख लिया आपने बेटा चलो जल्दी से दिखाओ मुझे सुहालिया आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू आल्सो बेटा शो मी योर लेटर एम yes come on the ones who are traveling they can just finger trace in the air come on tracing in the air yes that's how you write letter M yes okay Sufyan is showing me his work ओके वेल ट्राइड सुफियान थोड़ा सा ऊपर के लाइन तक हम लोग टच करेंगे ठीक है तुमने ट्राई तो अच्छा किया लेकिन जो लाइंस है उनको टच करना है सुहालिया जस्ट मूव यस आई कैन सी योर वर्क वेरी नाइस गुड जॉब गर्ल गुड जॉब come on now let's move on to the next letter which is letter N N says just like the here the airplane okay so how will we write letter N N also starts just like M a little bit above the second blue line okay so we'll start from here go touch the blue line one slanting up, one slanting down, again a slanting up. But this time instead of going slanting down, we'll make a small curve over here. Okay? What will we do? We'll make a small curve over here. Like M, this part is cut. नीचे वापस नहीं आना है, आपको वहीं पे ऊपर में एंड कर देना है एन को. If you know how to write letter M, letter N is going to come real easy for you. Okay. See, once again I'll show you. Start a little bit above the second blue line, curve, go touch the bottom blue line, slanting up, again slanting down, one more slanting up, and a curve. Come end your N a little bit below the red line. ठीक है, रेड लाइन को टच करके बंद नहीं कर देंगे एंड को. यू हैव टू कम अ लिटिल बिट बिलो एंड दैट टू इन अ कर्व. ठीक है, ये सब स्लैंटिंग लाइंस है, 3 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस, बट देयर इज अ कर्व ओवर हियर एंड देयर इज अ कर्वेचर ओवर हियर. ओके, so 2 curvatures in M and 2 in N, but in N there is one at the bottom and the other one at the top. Okay, come on, I'm waiting for all of you to show me your work. Show me how did you write letter N. I would love to see. Okay, Suhalia, well tried dear. Come on, practice further. Good job, good job. Come on, Sufyan. Ishanvi, just bring your book a little bit closer, dear, so that I can see clearly. Okay, I can see your M's. Shift a little bit. Shift it a little bit, dear. Towards. थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कर दो एक बार. Move it towards your left. Okay, 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 fine. Come on, Sufyan. Show me your work, dear. The lines which I'm asking you to touch, you have to be very careful कि आप उन lines को touch कर रहे हो and you are not going beyond those lines. ठीक है, उन लाइन को सिर्फ हमको जाके टच करना है, उसको क्रॉस नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू जस्ट टच द लाइंस. ओके, डू नॉट क्रॉस देम, डोंट गो ओवर देम और बिलो, अबव देम और बिलो देम. ठीक है, ओके. Sufyan, you have tried really nicely. I would want to see a little bit slimmer. Okay, थोड़ा सा पतला एंड बनाएंगे तो और भी सुंदर लगेगा आपका एंड. ठीक है, लेकिन आपने कोशिश अच्छी की है. आई रियली लाइक, यू आर वर्किंग रियली हार्ड. गुड जॉब बॉय. नाउ आफ्टर एन, लेटर ओ इज गोइंग टू बी रियली इजी फॉर यू. यू नो कैसे लेटर ओ लिखते हैं हम लोग? कैसे लेटर ओ लिखते हैं? वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन. ओके, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन एंड राइट अ सी. ठीक है, देन गो अप, again bring it up to the red line और थोड़ा सा नीचे लेके आएंगे, just like this. Okay, see how have I written? 1, starting from the red line, make a C, big C. Okay, now go from the blue line, again go up, touch the red line और थोड़ा सा नीचे आएंगे. It should end over here. O. Okay, cursive O should end over here like this. Okay, or if you don't want to end like this, you can also make a curve on the top. This is also a doable thing. You can do it like this. This is also acceptable. Whichever thing you choose, it will be good. If you want to do this, this is better. This is a well practiced O. Okay, यहाँ पे ऊपर में एक छोटा सा कर्व, बट इट शुड नॉट गो बियॉन्ड दिस ब्लू लाइन. ठीक है, सी लाइक दिस. ठीक है, in your book you have this O which ends over here. Instead of that over here, you just do it like this. ऊपर में ऐसे कर देना. ठीक है, so that this will look like a proper O. ऊपर में एक छोटा सा C लिखना है. Once you end it, then you have to write a small C over here. छोटा सा C, red और blue line के बीच में ऐसे. ठीक है, okay, that is how you supposed to write letter O. Come on, all of you, show me your work quickly.
Ma'am.
Yes, Suhalia, it's a good job. I really liked your work. Very nice.
कैसे करके दिखा आप
Very
करके
nice.
दिखाओ
Even Sufyan is trying hard. Okay.
Ma'am.
Good job. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kushi dear.
वो बना के दिखाओ वो बना
ओ बना के दिखाती हूँ
हाँ बताओ. Very good. Good job. Tracing in the air. That's how we do it. Good job, girl. You are doing it correctly. Nice job. Yes, Ishanvi, I saw your work. It was good. Good job for you, Ishanvi. Thumbs up for you. Now, Anvi, come on, trace in the air. How do we write letter O? Come on, let's show me with your finger. Trace it in the air. Come on. Yes, that's how you write letter O. Very good. Now, the last letter for the day is letter P. Okay. Now you already know how to write P in print letter. But in cursive, we write P a little bit differently. How do we write P? See, we'll start from the top red line. Okay. We'll start from the top red line. थोड़ा सा slanting back जाएंगे and we'll go again up, make a curve and touch over here. This is how you write letter P. Okay. See, आप लोग सिर्फ इतना बनाते थे, but this time you have to go like this without lifting your hand. Okay. How do you have to write it? From the red line, come back, come down a little bit slanting to the second blue line. Now take it up again and like this. Touch the lines properly. Okay. This is how letter P should look like. Big P looks like this. Okay. Okay. Come on. I would love to see your work. Wait. I'll put. Okay. Nice. Good job, Suhalia. Ishanvi, show me your work, dear. I could not see your work if you've already shown me. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself so that I can hear you. What are you saying?
I'm saying I can do it now.
Why?
No, she said she can do it now. Do.
Come on, let's write P. This is the last letter for the day. Now, after this, we are going to do some drawing. We are going to go to the
हाँ
doodle
अब
wall.
बना के
Yes, Sufyan. Kushi, come on, show me how do you write P. Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay. Good job. Here's a smiley for all my kids who have already written. Good job. Anvi, come on, show me P tracing in the air. Yes. Okay. Yes. Good job. Good job. Sufyan, I'm waiting for your work. The rest of your friends have already shown me theirs. Come on. After this, we are going to go to our doodle wall and we'll try to draw certain things. Okay? Okay, good job, Ishanvi. Lovely piece. I loved the piece when you have written it really nicely. Good job, girl. Come on, Sufyan. Show me your piece, dear. Okay. Great. Good job, Sufyan. Well tried. Come on. Now we started with letter M. So for M, what will I draw? Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. What do you think we should draw? M said there's something in the sky that comes in the at night. What do you get to see in the sky at night that starts with M and makes the sound?
Moon.
Moon, yes. And moon is really very good. Yes. Moon is really easy to draw. Okay. You can
Moon.
draw a
Crescent
circular
shape.
moon if you
Crescent
choose.
shape.
Yes. You can draw a circle moon for yourself if you choose to. But I love to see the crescent. So I would draw the crescent. So for crescent, you have to make one C like this. एक बड़ा back वाला C and then another C like this, छोटा सा. Okay, but they should be touching from the and in the top and the bottom end. It should be touching the top and the bottom end both. Okay, this is how you make moon. Come on, all of you, show me your moons. Do you think? What is the color of the moon? Yes, Ishanvi, tell me what's the color of the moon? Halia, I loved your moon. It's beautiful. Yes, Kushbu. White. That's true. White. The color of the moon is white. So, if you want, you can color it white or you can just leave it like that. Come on, Khushi Nankani, show me how to draw a moon in the air. Come on, let's trace moon in the air like this. Let's trace. Very good. Yes, very good. Very good. So now, what will we do next? What are we going to draw next? After M, which letter will come? Who will tell me? Come on. One of you unmute yourself and tell me which letter will come after M. Yes. Yes, Sophia. It is. Yes, Anvi, tell me. N. Yes. N आएगा. Okay, Khushi. Thank you for helping me out, Khushi, Suhalia, and V. Thank you. So, with N, we are going to do something that you must have seen Mama wearing sometimes. Okay, but this is really easy to draw. How to draw it? You have to make small circles, one attached to the others, and you have to go in a linear fashion. ठीक है? ऐसे. Make a lot of circles with the other. Okay, और यहाँ पे एक और circle बना देंगे. What do you think is this? ये क्या बना? Something that yes, it's a necklace. अगर आपको ये difficult लगता है, then you can draw a circle like this. और उसके ऊपर में आप ऐसे circles बना सकते हो छोटे-छोटे, so that you will get the necklace like. Okay, if you find going in the circle a little bit difficult, you can draw it like this. And one more circle over here, or you can even draw a triangular pendant over here. However you feel right. Okay, come on girls and boys, me necklaces. Sufyan, मम्मा के लिए necklace बनाएंगे हम लोग, draw करेंगे. Yes, we bring your book copy a little bit closer to the camera, dear. Oh, lovely necklace. Mama will be really happy to see your necklace. Come on. Very good, Suhalia. Good going, girl. Where is Sufyan? Sufyan, आया मम्मा के लिए necklace? दिखाओ. कॉपी में ड्रॉ कर लो बेटा. उसी कॉपी में ड्रॉ कर. Oh, good job. Now, with O, of something that starts with O, you get this fruit in the winter season. It is a citrus, and it's the name of the fruit is. Yes, that's really good. Yes, that's orange. The name of the fruit is also the color. Yes. Come on, let's learn how to draw orange. Okay. Now for orange, you have to make a nice big circle like this. Then you make a small curve over here like this. And slanting line from here. Okay, this will show. And then you can make small dots over here, you know. Orange have small tiny pores on its skin and color it. Which color will you use to color the orange? Tell me, which color will you choose?
Orange color.
Yes, we'll use the orange color to color the orange, right? Yes, we'll use the orange color, Ishanvi. Come on, show me your orange. Yes, unmute yourself so that I can hear you, dear. You're saying something, but I'm not being able to hear you. Wait. Unmute yourself. Okay, good job, Suhalia. Yes, Ishanvi, tell me,
Look,
what
my
did you
new
want to tell me?
color.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. You have a very nice collection of colors. Good job.
Yes.
Shan, show me your orange. Come on. Acha, Sufyan must be going to get his colors, it seems. Okay. Color your oranges. Come on, all of you. If you wish, you can also make a leaf over here on the top for the orange, like this. Yes, good job, Khushi Nankani. You're trying to trace the orange in the air. Yes. Sufyan, come on, show me your orange. Okay, Suhalia, nice, very nice. Ishanvi, good job. I'm really impressed. Here's a smiley for Suhalia, another smiley for Ishanvi, a smiley for Khushi Nankani for tracing the orange in the air. Come on, Anvi. I want to see your orange. Come on, trace it in the air like this. How do you make an orange? Yes, very good. Very good. Very nice. Now, with the P, what do you want to draw? I will ask, I'll give you two choices. आपको जो मन होगा हम लोग वो draw करेंगे. With P, you can draw a pizza or you can draw a pencil. ठीक है, कौन सा draw करने का मन है बताओ. Raise your hand.
पिज्जा की पेंसिल पी फॉर पिज्जा भी होता है पीपल
For pencil.
Okay, and I'll show you both of them. Okay, we have got children who want to see both the drawings. So I draw the pizza also. I draw a pencil also. Whichever you want for yourself, you can draw. Okay. So let's first start with the pizza. Okay, come on. How will we go about it? For the pizza, you need to make a V. पहले ऐसे V बनाओ, एक V बनाओ, बड़ा सा V बनाओ, ठीक है? Make a V. Now यहाँ पे make a curve and touch this end to the other end. Okay. Make a curve to touch this end to the other end. Now, what topping we want to make on the pizza? You can make circles for onions. Okay? And if you write a 3, it will look like as if you have put some capsicum on. Write number 3 over here. ठीक है? Number 3 डाल दो यहाँ पे कहीं कहीं पे. Okay, so we have put 2 toppings on the pizza. One is the onion ring and the other one is like capsicum. Okay, now what else? P says pencil. Okay, so for pencil, how will we draw the pencil? How would we draw the pencil? For the pencil, you need to make one standing line and थोड़ा सा दूर one more standing line like this. ठीक है? At the bottom you have to make a V. Okay? And यहाँ पे ऊपर में touch these two standing lines. And यहाँ पे नीचे V के ऊपर में भी एक sleeping line बना दो. ठीक है? Now, if you want, you can make more standing lines in the middle like this. Or if you wish, you can just leave it like this and color the tip to show the lead. Okay, this is how you make a pencil. Okay, this is how you make a pencil. Right? Right? Come on, all of you. I want to see your pencils. Good job. Oh wow, Suhalia has done both of them together. Very good. Very good. Now who else is going to show me their work? Who else? Okay, good job, Ishanvi. You have drawn really nicely. Very nice. I loved your pencil and pizza both. Very good. Where's Sufyan? Come on, Sufyan. Show me your pencil or the pizza. This is my doodle wall where I keep on drawing things. You should also practice drawing a lot at home. I see Shanvi doing a lot of drawing and coloring. It will help you improve your handwriting furthermore. Okay? And one very important thing I want to tell you all, which is you all must send me your homeworks regularly. I eagerly keep on waiting for your homeworks. Okay? So I would love to see your work. I'm sending your homework since we reopened. Okay? I want to see your homeworks. I see Shanvi's homework quite regularly. The rest of you need to show me your thumbs up and tell that you are going to send me your homeworks. Okay? Kushi Nankani is going to send me. Even Anvi will send me. Very good. Even Suhalia. How about Sufyan? आपका होमवर्क भिजवाओगे तो thumbs up करके आओ बेटा. Very good, Suhalia. I'll be waiting for your. Sufyan. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't got cursive writing book.
You don't have? Why?
Yes. No.
You haven't collected?
I
You
don't
must
know
have got
cursive.
one book like this. See, this is our cursive writing book. Arctic cursive writing book. This is our book where you can write. Dear, you are on mute, so I am not being able to hear you.
Ma'am,
Yes?
we got a cursive book, ma'am.
Oh,
I don't
oh,
understand it.
okay, okay. Okay, dear. Okay. So that's all today. But I want to see all of your works. Okay, send me your homework regularly. I would love